everybody, this is Willie. It's a Sunday afternoon in the 80s around here, and I just put on some Avon, or Avon, A-V-A-V-O-N, Avon grips on this bike, and some bar end mirrors on here. Had to tweak things a bit. Anyway, gotta get some gas. Every time, it seems like when I haven't ridden this bike in a while, it's always low on gas, even though I don't ride it. It's like the gas is just evaporating in the tank or something. This bike just sits in my driveway all the time. I don't keep it in the garage. Maybe that's what's happening. Alrighty. Grips are seem thicker than my old grips. I actually like that. The old grips were just so worn out, they were falling apart on me. They had tears. The grip just had worn off. But compared to putting grips on the Kawasaki, the Ninja 400, this is a little different. So the right grip actually has to connect to the throttle cable and goes through the housing, the starter switch housing. So it took a while for me to find the right grips for this. And the grips also come with the caps on the end, and I had to get a metal drill and drill out holes in those. And then, so that worked out fine on the left, but then I had to take the bar end and got a saw and cut the metal to the tip off of it to make it a little more flush on that end cap. And then on the right, I found that I couldn't really use the end cap because the grip, the bar end would turn with the grip. Alright, let's check out this guy. He's got a t-shirt, no helmet, shorts, and tennis shoes. Nice view of the mountains, Mount Umunum in the distance. I can't see. I'm in fifth gear. There's no gear indicators on this bike. Only has 5 gears. There's no gas gauge, no gear indicator. There's nothing to show you your RPMs. You just have to go by feel for everything. And it vibrates a lot. But it's still fun to ride this bike. And the only reason why I got the grips was I've been planning to sell it for a while. Actually, a year ago I tried to sell it, and that kind of fell through. And you had to get a license plate replacement, and I've just sort of procrastinated. To be honest, winter came along and didn't want to deal with it then. And it took me over 5 weeks to get these grips because of a screw up. Someone, they said they placed an order for me from inside the store, and I called a few times and they said, oh, it's on back order. And I thought, okay, it's been 5 weeks, and I decided just to go into the store. It was a catalog order. So I went in, and then they looked it up, and then a couple of guys were behind the counter, and they go, oh, no wonder so-and-so placed this order. So that told me right there it was not placed properly in my order. I would never be getting the grips if I didn't go into the shop. So I was able to redo the order and get these grips in a couple of days in the mail. And these are, I had to figure things out a little bit because these are not the stock handlebars. I actually prefer these to the stock handlebars. These bars go a little more straight across. They don't have that, I don't know, the like semi-chopper style handlebars that come with the bike. And due to the vibration and or lack of suspension on this bike, you might hear my voice do some funny things when I'm on the ride. And I really don't want to hit any potholes or bumps on this. So I tweaked my back over maybe a month and a half ago, and I'm still recovering. I've had more injuries from being a tennis pro in the past than ever on a motorcycle. Ah, shit. I should have stood up on that one. Looks like my gas tank is vibrating. That's weird. Hopefully my gas tank doesn't come off. I do like the sound of this bike. My friend who I bought it from put a straight pipe on it. So, shit, yeah, this suspension. It's louder, and but it also has sort of a unique sound to it. Wow, compared to the Ninja 400, it's like I feel every little bump on this road, and I just simply don't on the Ninja.